Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to start a chat in Amino. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Amino account, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is, where exactly can you find Amino? Now, I can get Amino on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Amino and follow through with the on-screen prompts to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in, use an existing account, or to create an entirely new account. And after signing in, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Amino. So now, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to start a chat in Amino. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have Discover, Chat, and Store. Click on Chat. That's going to take you in here. So now, for you to start a chat, you're going to have to head over to the left corner of your screen and click on Global. So once you click on Global, here you have Create a New Chat Room. So click on that. And once you click on that, now you can start a private chat. So click on Private Chat. And now you need to have a follower before you can start a private chat. But then, to create a public chat room, so click on Create a New Chat Room and click on Public Chat Room. Now over here, just click on Create New. And now it says you need at least 100 global followers to use this feature. So you need to have at least 100 people that follow you before 100 people that follow you before you can use before you can create a public chat room. So all of here are group invites, so you can just tap any of the group invites and just follow through to have a conversation with them in the groups. They also have recommended options. Now these are recommended chats. Of course, they're going live, so it means if you click on any of them, you can have a great time watching what they are watching. So just click on any of them and just start having fun with them in their chat rooms. So this is how you can start a chat in Amino. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped to search